Workers unload freshly live-harvested potatoes onto the sorting machine. Properly sized potatoes fall into baskets, then are transferred to the roller, cleaning machine to remove soil, impurities, and peel the skin. Fully cleaned and peeled potatoes are conveyed for manual inspection to sort out imperfect and defective ones. Then they are sent to the strip cutter and cut into French fries of uniform size. Then they go into the washing machine, which undergo double bubble washing to remove surface starch and impurities. The strips go through the blancher for slight surface cooking, a process that makes the finished French fries crispy and tasty. They are then rapidly cooled and dried by the air dryer. A vibrating sieve filters out broken pieces and residues. After screening, the potato strips are ready for frying. Glossy fries come out from the other end of fryer. High-pressure fans cool the fries and blow off excess oil. The drained oil is collected and recycled to reduce consumption, keeping the fries less greasy. The de-oiled French fries are sent to the quick freezer. Once frozen, the semi-finished fries are ready. The fries go through screening again to remove broken pieces. The intact fries are carried by the conveyor to the weighing and packaging machine. Once packaged, the whole processing of French fries is completed. We are a one-stop supplier of French fries production equipment. Welcome to visit our factory and place orders.